Adri's Kitchen and Vlogs. So if you've seen my previous videos, I had made orange juice. So with the same orange juice today, I am going to make orange popsicles. So let's start. So first we have the orange juice that we made earlier. So we have these things in which you can put orange juice or any kind of juice or any kind of mixture, and then you can make ice cream or popsicles out of it. So we are going to just pour in the orange juice, and we are going to put this inside this, and we're going to put this in. So we are going to do the second popsicle in the same way but a little different. So in this we are going to be adding apples. So first I'm going to put a bit of apples right here inside. So we have chopped the apples into really small pieces. This is how much apple I have put in. So now I'm going to put in the juice. Now I'm going to put it inside, and I'm going to put this in. If anyone doesn't have those shape makers, then they can use plain glasses, which I'm going to do right now. So one I'm going to make with only orange juice, and the other one I'm going to put apple. So I'll put the orange juice in one. And in the second one I'll be putting apples again. Now we are going to add the orange juice. Now what we will do is cover these with aluminium foil, because if we put these popsicles just like that, they'll get tilted and our shape won't be very nice. You'll find these popsticks in a craft or stationery shop, but if you don't find these, then you can also use a spoon. You can take this part of a spoon and put it in and put it in the freezer. So now I'm going to be covering these two glasses with foil paper. So I'm gonna do that. Make sure it's nice and tight. I'm gonna poke this in. So like this, the popsicle stays upright and it does not go diagonal or anything. So we'll carefully put these into the freezer. After 7 to 8 hours, we are finally ready to take out our popsicles from the freezer. Let's go. I'm excited to open these. So the popsicles are ready to be taken out from their molds. I am so excited. So first, to take them out, because they are so frozen, they won't come out like that or they'll break. So we're gonna immerse it in water like that. This is looking awesome. Overall the texture and the looks are great. So one of that is done. So now I'm going to show you one of the glass ones. So we'll do the apple one this time. Now we are going to immerse it in water. Oh wow, look at that. The apple has completely frozen at the bottom. It almost looks like a gola that you find in India. So I'll try one out and see. The orange, the natural orange flavor. Oh my god, this is so nice. I love it. So I hope you all really like this recipe, and give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Adri's Kitchen and Vlogs. Press the bell icon so that you never miss another update from our channel. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Until next time. Goodbye.